In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts with Google Fonts. By the end, you'll know how to bring Google Fonts into your Webflow project, apply them globally, fine-tune your typography, and publish your site so the new styles are live. Start by opening your browser and heading to webflow.com. Log in, and you'll land on your dashboard. From here, open the project where you want to add custom fonts. That takes you straight into the Webflow Designer, which is where all the styling magic happens. With your project open, look to the right side and click the Style panel. If you want your new font to be the default across the entire site, select Body. Labeled as Body, all pages. You can also select any specific element you plan to style. In the Typography section, you'll find the Font Family control. Click the Font Family dropdown and choose the option to add fonts. Webflow has a direct integration with Google Fonts, so search for the font you want by name. When you find it, click Add to bring it into your project. Tip: only include the weights and styles you plan to use, like regular, medium, and bold. This keeps your site lighter and faster. Once added, the font becomes available across your entire project. I've placed a link to Webflow and the Google Fonts library at the top of the description so you can jump right in without searching. Next, to set your font globally, make sure Body, all pages, is selected in the Selector field. Then choose your newly added font in Font Family. This establishes your base type so all text without a specific override uses the new font automatically. Now, refine key elements. Select your headings, like H1 through H3, or any specific element such as buttons or paragraphs. Assign a class if you need reusable styles. Apply the new font and then adjust font weight, size, line height, and letter spacing until it looks polished and consistent. Small tweaks in spacing often make the difference between decent and professional typography. Before you publish, preview responsively. Switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to make sure your text remains readable and consistent across breakpoints. If anything feels tight or oversized, adjust those values for each device until it's comfortable to scan. When you're ready, click Publish in the top right corner. Choose your Webflow subdomain or your custom domain, and your new font styles are live. If you don't see changes immediately, give it a moment and refresh. That's it. You now know how to add and apply Google Fonts in Webflow to style your website professionally. Customize headings, paragraphs, and buttons to match your design. Thanks for watching.